Do you feel like you are struggling with physics? For many students, the heavy burden of rote memorization is the problem. We are often forced to memorize complex formulas for concepts that we cannot truly see. Physics should be about understanding core concepts, not just memorizing equations. There is an old way of doing things, rote memorization, and then there is the smart way, gaining conceptual clarity. Welcome to the Doubt-Free Physics Academy. This is more than just traditional coaching. It is a complete learning ecosystem designed to transform your fear into confidence. Every journey begins with a clear baseline. Through our performance evaluation, we identify exactly where a student needs help, rather than making assumptions. This allows us to create a truly personalized learning path. We provide a roadmap designed specifically for you. With personalized academic mentorship, we guide your studies, help you manage your time effectively, and teach you how to avoid common mistakes. Our approach transforms abstract formulas into visual experiences. We focus on strong concept building through interactive digital notes and animated lessons, so you understand why formulas work, not just what they are. Learning should never stop because of confusion. With our continuous doubt clarification system, we ensure that no question remains unanswered. We build your confidence step by step. Our smart MCQ generator offers unlimited practice with adaptive difficulty levels, providing instant feedback for continuous improvement. Discover how physics behaves through experimentation. Our physics problem simulator lets you change variables to observe concepts in real time. Don't just solve questions, experience the physics. This is a radically smarter way to learn. While the old way relies on one-size-fits-all lectures and rote memorization, our doubt-free way provides personalized evaluations, visual learning, and interactive tools. With us, you get progress you can measure and peace of mind you can trust. Students receive actionable insights to know exactly what to improve, while parents stay informed through regular progress reports. This is our complete learning ecosystem. We evaluate, learn, apply, and clarify. Great results are built through a comprehensive system, not just through standard classroom lectures. Exam readiness is built on a solid foundation. Whether you are aiming for board exams, NEET, or JEE, our goal remains the same: to create independent learners with strong conceptual understanding. We are committed to creating lifelong scientific thinkers. By cultivating curiosity, logical thinking, and confidence, we foster a genuine passion for lifelong learning. At the Doubt-Free Physics Academy, we don't just teach physics, we build thinkers and problem solvers. Join us to experience a smarter way to learn, where concepts become confidence. Contact us today to get started.